How to download apps without Apple ID password. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download apps without any Apple ID password. So let's get started. So if you want to download apps without having to type in password for each and every purchase, this is what you'll need to do. Go to your settings first, scroll down, go to your screen time. After you here, go to private content and privacy restrictions. And right here, you'll need to go to iTunes and App Store purchases. Right here, just select don't require under require password. Then you can go back, scroll up to your initial settings, then tap on your, Apple ID. After you tap on your Apple ID, you'll find this media and purchases. You can tap on that and you'll see this password settings. Tap on password settings and you'll see this option that says when purchasing, you will see. So under require password, you'll find this free download section where you'll find require password. Make sure that this is turned off. After you turn that off, you won't. After you turn that off, After you turn that off, you won't require a password anymore to download free apps. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.